If we were to make a scatter plot out of what has taken place with OG Anunoby over the last 2 series, you'd see that he was bound to have a big game. I'm gonna make a scatter plot right down here and then use that scatter plot to generate information on what we've already seen from OG Anunoby and what to predict in the future. So in game 1, he had 13 points. 1, 13, we'll make an X. In game 2, he had 14 points. Number 1, is there a correlation between what's happening with the number of games and the amount of points that he's scoring? Well, you can see here that as the games increase, so does his points. So there is a correlation. That correlation is called a positive correlation. Is there a trend here? And the trend line basically goes from your lowest or highest value at the start all the way to your lowest or highest value at the end, excluding any outliers. And outliers are just numbers that are way out of what you expect, way out of the data set. For example, like let's say OG Anunoby scored 2 points. That would be an outlier because it's way down here where no other data points are. We want to be more so in the middle of the data set. So if you look here, there is a trend. These numbers are going up as the game increases, with the exception of these 17 points that are pretty much down here. Now, are there any outliers? Maybe you could say that the 17 points are outliers, but I wouldn't consider them outliers because it actually happened 3 times. And it's not that far off from what the median, which is the middle, or the mean, which is the average, would be. So I wouldn't call it too much of an outlier. That means there's consistency there. Even though he's increasing, there is some consistency. Future predictions. Well, if he continues on this trend, it doesn't have to happen, but it is possible that if OG Anunoby continues on this trend, he could have anywhere from 33 to 35 points. We're just gonna have to see. I'll catch you at the next game. Peace.